Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by opening Control Center because that's the fastest route to the magnifier. If you have Face ID, swipe down from the top right. Older models require a swipe up from the bottom. Once done, scan the visible icons for a magnifying glass. If you don't see it, make sure to add it from Settings right arrow Control Center. You'll do that in the next step. This prevents repeating navigation and gets magnifier within one tap. You now add magnifier so it's accessible anywhere. Open Settings, choose Control Center, and locate magnifier under More Controls. Tap the green plus to include it. Doing this puts it in Included Controls and places the icon in Control Center, so you won't need to launch the camera app or accessibility menu. Once added, reopen Control Center to confirm the magnifying glass icon is present. Make sure it's positioned where you tap the magnifier icon to launch it. You can pinch to zoom, adjust brightness, enable filters for contrast, and tap the freeze button to lock an image. If magnifier fails to open, restart your iPhone first. Often a quick reset clears glitches. Make sure iOS is up to date via Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update. Outdated software can disable features. If problems persist, check screen time restrictions or camera permissions, since those can inadvertently block magnifier functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.